Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to transform a normal photo into a stunning traditional saree trend look, all in just a few minutes. No complicated software, no extra apps, just using Google latest editing tools, Nano Banana. So let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. If you don't have it yet, just make sure to download it and then log in with your Google account. Next, just go to create images, this one, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This tool is powered by Nano Banana. This is Google brand new feature that lets you edit photo instantly just by typing prompts. It's super easy. And next, just upload any photo of yourself or the one that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button, this one, and then tap on gallery and then just choose your photo. And next, here's the fun part. Let's write in the prompt. For example, I already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. You can copy my prompt and then you can also adjust the details however you like change the saree color, this one, and then add the details about the saree looks, background, or even the lighting styles. It's all customizable. Just feel free to tweak your prompt, and I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this, just look at this photo. The photo has completely transforms into a gorgeous saree trend styles, and honestly it looks so real and elegant. And okay, that's it. Super quick, right? You can experiment with different color, texture, or and vibes until you find the perfect saree looks. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.